Is your Porsche Cayenne's alarm constantly going off? The most common culprits are the hood switch and the interior sensor. The hood switch, located under the hood, can trigger false alarms due to misalignment, corrosion, or wiring damage. You can test it with a multimeter, checking for 0 ohms resistance when the hood is closed. The interior sensor, which detects motion inside the cabin, might be overly sensitive. It can be triggered by pets, loose objects, or even electrical noise. Recent Porsche software updates, like version 5.2 for 2021 Plus models, have addressed this, but older models still struggle. Before diving deeper, make sure your Cayenne is up to date with the latest software from Porsche, as this can resolve false alarms stemming from interior sensors. Remember that many issues revolve around either replacing the sensor or performing a reset. To reset the alarm system, start by entering the vehicle with your key fob. Try turning the ignition on and off in sequence, or use a Porsche diagnostic tool to clear error codes. For a faulty interior sensor, locate the fuse box and temporarily remove the 10-amp fuse associated with the alarm system for about 30 seconds. Looking ahead, newer Cayenne models feature integrated smart security with AI-assisted diagnostics, reducing mechanical faults. Porsche Connect offers predictive maintenance, flagging potential issues before alarms trigger. While DIY fixes are popular, experts recommend professional diagnostics for complex issues. With advanced sensors and machine learning in future models like the Cayenne, false alarms are expected to decrease significantly.